So here lately I've had the privilege of teaching video game camps or seminars to high school students. And these high school students want to be aspiring video game makers, and I think that's really cool. But what I typically do in these seminars is I take a video game from my youth, such as Pac-Man or Space Invaders, things that I like to play on the Atari 2600, which I love this system, by the way. And I would go through the entire game in a modern game development engine such as Unity, and I can pretty much take a group of high school students and teach them how to make those old style video games in pretty much a single day, and the students really enjoy it. The one problem with that model is that those old video games, while they're a lot of fun for me to play, they don't translate well to modern youth. And what I think would be much better is if I could translate a lot of the mechanics that are needed nowadays in video games into real short videos that I think can be digested quickly. And one of those concepts that I think people need to know about in making video games is inventory management. So I've got a real short demonstration that is up here on the screen. Let's get this game going. So I've got a little Unity environment here. I've created a room in which there is exactly one wall, a door, and you can see a key floating on the other side of the room. And then just 3 open walls. Don't jump off that or else we'll fall off the edge. So if I walk up to this door and hit the activate button, it says, you need a key to use this door. Nothing's going to happen. Can't get through it. As much as I try, no way through. Alright, but there is a key on the side of the room. Let's walk over. And I get a message on the screen that says the key has been added to the inventory. So I have an inventory, there is a list of items, and now there was before nothing in the bag. Now there's one item in the bag, and I should be able to walk up to the door, and the door opens because it recognizes the key. And I don't have any reward on the other side of this door, but you can see just reaching the other side is the reward. And so this is inventory management in a nutshell. And so I would hope to create this video in order to help guide someone into inventory management, which is an important part of gaming. So thank you.